Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with problem number 8. Chapter 2a, problem number 8. Okay, here the question is, a pump is used to lift 500 kg. So mass is given 500 kg. So force will be 500 kg is equal to 5000 Newton. Lift 5000 Newton of water from a depth 80 meter, that is height is given 80 meter in time 10 seconds. Calculate the work done by the pump. So work done is force into displacement. So here you can see 5000 into 80, you will get 4 lakh joule, or you can write in the terms of 10 raised to 5. So you will get 4 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Okay, so work done is force into displacement. Second is calculate the power at which the pump works. So power is work by time. We already got 4 lakh and time is 10. So 4 lakh by 10, you will get 40,000 watt. Okay, either you can write as watt itself because watt is the SI unit of power. So 40,000 watt, or these 3 zeros, 1000 we can write as kilo. So instead of 40,000 watt, you can write as 40 kilowatt. But if you reach till here, okay, it's enough. Okay, now the third question is, it is something different. The power rating, calculate the power rating of the pump if its efficiency is 40%. So efficiency of the pump is only 40%. That means rest of the 60% is wasted as a degraded form of energy. Out of 100%, the pump is only working its efficiency with 40%. So we already studied the formula. Efficiency is equal to output by input. Our question is, calculate the power rating. Power rating of a pump means every electrical instrument will have its own power rating. That means at which power, at which voltage and current it will work. So here you can see some beater, and here you can see the power rating of the beater. It is given 220 to 240 volt. So every instrument, every electrical instrument, in your mobile chargers, you can see the power rating. Here it is written input. I don't know whether you are able to see. It is written input, it is 110 to 240 volt. It is given 110 to 240 volt. So in every instrument, that is at which power, how much power is required for a particular instrument to work. That is its input power. എത്ര പവർ നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കണം, ആ ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെന്റ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ എത്ര പവർ വേണം, അതിനെയാണ് പവർ റേറ്റിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So here you can see the question is, you are asked to find the power rating. So power rating, you should know that power rating means that is the input power. We are asked to find the input power. We already got the power output is 40,000 watt. So efficiency is 40%. 40% means 40 by 100. That is 40,000 by output by input. Then you will just cross multiply, you will get input power is equal to 40,000 into 100 by 40. Cross multiply, you will get 1 lakh watt, or we can make this 30 as kilo. You will get 100 kilowatt. Okay, so please be clear. Power rating of an instrument means that is its input power. With what power that particular instrument will work. Okay. Okay, next question, question number 9. An ox apply a maximum force, directly force is given 1000 Newton. It is taking part in a cart race and is able to pull the cart at a constant speed. That is velocity of that particular ox is given 30 meter per second. While making its best effort, calculate the power developed by the ox. So we are asked to find the power of the ox. So power, we have the formula, power is work by time. And we know that work done is force into displacement, or force into distance by time. And in lower classes we studied velocity, definition of velocity is distance by time. Formula for velocity. Velocity is equal to distance by time. So instead of this distance by time, we can write velocity. So power is equal to force into velocity. So power of the ox is force into velocity at which the ox is running. So 1000 into 30, you will get 30,000 watt. Or you may write. See, if you write up to 30,000 watt, your answer is correct, because for the board exam you are asked to find the answer or do all the problems in SI unit. So once you reach here 30,000 watt, okay, it's okay. But I just wrote it like this because the answer given in the textbook is 30 kilowatt. Okay. And question number 10. The power of the motor is 40 kilowatt. Power is given 40 kilowatt. So here, whenever we are doing the problem, we should convert all other units to SI unit. So I just converted kilowatt to watt, that is 40,000 watt. The power of the motor is 40 kilowatt. At what speed can the motor rise a load? Load means its force, how much water it can rise. That means force is given 20,000 Newton. At what speed? So you are asked to find the velocity in which every day we used to pump water to our tanks. So the power of that particular water is this much, and that pump is taking 2000 Newton of water, that much water from the well. We are asked to find the speed at which it is taking. So here we have the same formula. I am not again and again doing the derivation. Here we already studied power is force into velocity. So here power is equal to force into velocity. So velocity will be power divided by force, that is 40,000 watt by 20,000 Newton. So you will cancel it, you will get the answer 2. Velocity meter per second. So the velocity of the pump is 2 meter per second. Next, question number 11. Rajan exerts a force of 150 Newton. So directly force is given 150 Newton in pulling a car at a constant speed. Velocity 10 meter per second. Calculate the power. It is a direct question. Power is work by time, or we have the formula power is equal to force into velocity. So just multiply 150 into 10. You will get 1500 watt. Next is a different model. The next model. Question number 12. A ball weighs 350 Newton. So force is given 350 Newton. Climbs up 30 steps, each of 20 centimeter height. So total distance is he climbed 30 steps. One step is 20 centimeter. So 30 step means 30 into 20 altogether. The distance traveled by the boy is 600 centimeter. Converting it into SI unit, 6 meter in 1 minute. 1 minute 60 seconds. Calculate the work done and power. So we have formula. Work done is force into displacement. 350 into 6. Force into displacement. You will get 2100, and the power is work by time. Work is 2100, time is 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. You will get 35 watt. Okay, next question number 13. Question number 13. We are taking the case of two persons, person A and person B. So you may leave a particular space between these two and you have to write. It takes 20 seconds for person A of mass 50 kg to climb up the stair, while another person B of the same mass does the same, that is same distance, in 15 seconds. Okay, in 5 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Compare their work done and power developed. So we are considering the case of person A, first person and second person. Both are supposed to do the same work because they both are having the same mass, 50 kg, that is 500 Newton. So person A is 50 kg, person B is also 50 kg. Person A climb up the stair, person B also climb up the stair. That is, they move through the same distance. So distance is not given. I am taking that as x. So distance traveled by A is x. Distance traveled by the person B is also x. Because in the question it is given both travel the same distance. But the time is different. First one person A take 20 seconds, but the person B take only 15 seconds. So you are asked to compare. Compare means the answer should be in ratio. Work done is equal to force into distance. Force is 500. Distance is not given. We can write x. Here also 500x. So both work done is 500x, 500x. So we can write the ratio as work done by A, WA is to WB is 1:1 because both we got the same answer. Next question is, you are asked to calculate the power. Power done by A is work by time. Work we got, it is 1 by 20. Here power of the B is 1 by 15. We are taking this one, or if you want you can take 500, no problem. Since both are equal, it will get cancelled. So for easy I took 1. So 1 by 15. Now power A, power of the boy A, you can write it as suffix not here. Suffix A. P of A, power developed by A is to power developed by B is 1 by 20 is to 1 by 15. Now either you can write like this, but I think you will not get the answer when you write in a fraction. So you just want to cross multiply 15 into 1, 20 into 1. So you will get the ratio 15 is to 20. When we cancel, we will get 3 is to 4. Okay, so the same question here we have for this year board exam. Here you can see question number 2. A crane A. So this is this year question paper. Question number 2. I will read the question. Crane A lift a load in 5 seconds, whereas crane B does the same work. Does the same work. So same work means ratio will be 1:1 in 2 seconds. Compare the power of A and B. So you are asked to find the power only. Here in this question paper, they asked to find only power. So power will be work by time. So how will you calculate here? Work is same 1. So power of A is, first one is 2 seconds. Sorry, first one is 5 seconds and second one is 2 seconds. So power will be, power of A is to power of B. How will you calculate? Work done is same. So 1 by 5 is to 1 by 2, cross multiplying 2 is to 5. So power of A, I just calculated here. Power of A is to power of B is 1 is to 5 is to 1 by 2. So cross multiply, you will get the answer 2 is to 5. It carries 2 marks. Okay. Next, question number 14. A boy weighs, okay, I just wrote here girl, sorry. A boy weighs 40 kgf. 40 kgf means 400 Newton. Climb up the 15 steps, each of 15 centimeter. So displacement or distance is 15 step into 15 centimeter. Each step 15. So total distance is 15 into 15, 225 centimeter. Converting it into meter, 0.225 meter in 10 seconds. And a girl, and the girl weighs 20 kg of, weight of the girl is 20 kg of, converting into SI unit 200 Newton. Does the same means they travel the same distance. So S is 0.225 in 5 seconds. Time taken by the girl is only 5 seconds. Compare their work done and power. We are asked to compare the work done and power. So first we can calculate the work done. Work done is force into displacement. You have to write the formula. Since if I wrote all the formulas, this screen may not be enough. That's why I'm skipping the formulas. Work done is equal to force into displacement. You will get 90 joule. Then work done by the girl. Here you have to write boy and girl. So here work done by boy, W boy. W girl is equal to 200 into 0.225 you will get 45 joule. And power of the boy, work by time, 90 by 10, 90 by 10, 90 watt. Then power of girl, so right here, power boy, power P girl. Work by time, 45 by 5, you will get 9 watt. So compare the ratio. Ratio of work done is 90 joule, 45 joule. So 90 is to 45, cancelling you will get 2 is to 1. Then ratio of their power. Power of the boy is 9 watt, power of the girl is also 9 watt. So we will take 9 is to 9, that is 1 is to 1. Question number 15. A man rises a box of 50 kg, mass 50 kg, converting to Newton, 500 Newton, of height 2 meter, distance 2 meter in 20 seconds. Okay, force 500, distance 2 meter, time 20 seconds. While another man B raises the same box. Same box means force will be 50. Same box to the same height, that is 2 meter in 50 seconds. So same box, same time, same box, same distance, same height in time 50 seconds. You are asked to calculate the work done by the box, work done by the man A, work done by the man B, ratio of work done, power of A, power of B, ratio. So work done is force into distance, 200 into 2, 1000 joule. Work done by B is 500 into 2, 1000 joule. So ratio of work done, both 1000. So you will get the ratio is work done by A is to work done by B. You have to write like this. Whenever you are asking the ratio, the question also should be mentioned. WA is to WB implies 1 is to 1. Now power. Power is equal to work by time. 1000 by 20, that is 50 watt. Power of B, 1000 by 50. Time is here 50. So 20 watt. So ratio power of A is to power of B equals 50 is to 20. Cancelling, you will get 5 is to 2. So last question is, a boy takes 3 minutes. So here we are going to compare the work done by boy and his father. So a boy takes 3 minutes to lift 20 liter water bucket. 20 liter, that is 20 kg. 20 liter water bucket from a depth 20 meter. Distance is 20 meter. Well, from a 20 meter deep well. While his father does it in 2 minutes. So boy takes 3 minutes. His father take only 2 minutes. Compare their work and the power developed by them. How much work does each? Take density of water is 10 kilogram per meter cube. If the density is given 10 raised to 3, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So keep in mind, if density is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, then we can take 1 liter as 1 kg. If density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube, then we can take 1 liter is 1 kg. So 20 liter is 20 kg. And here it is given gravity G is 9.8 Newton per kilogram. So every time we used to substitute, because in the question it is given 10 Newton per kilogram, but here it is given it is 9.8. So if it is given 9.8, you cannot directly convert 20 kg is equal to 200 Newton. 20 kg is 200 Newton if gravity is given 10. But in this question it is given gravity is 9.8. So we have to calculate force is 20 into 9.8, that is 196 Newton. And the distance travelled is 20 centimeters. So both father and son done the same thing. Force is 196 Newton and distance is 20. Only the difference is boy takes 3 minutes but his father take only 2 minutes. So obviously the work done will be the same, because both are carrying the same box to the same height. So work done is same, but still you are supposed to do it. Force is work done is equal to force into displacement, 196 into 20, that is 3920 joule. The same way for the father, work is equal to 196 into 20, 3960 joule. So work done by the boy is to work done by the father implies 1:1 because both are same. Now we have to calculate the power. Power of the boys work by time. You already got it is 1. 1 by 3. If you want, you can substitute 3920 by 3 also. But it will take more calculation. Better you go for 1 because both are same. 1 by 3. Power of the father is, since he take only 2 minutes, 1 by 2. So you can ask why I am not converting 3 minutes to second. Both are given in minute. If you want, you may convert. Or else, if you convert or not, you will get the same answer. So power of boy is to power of father is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. Whenever you got a fraction, you just cross multiply. You will get 2:3. So we completed all the problems of chapter 2a. 16 problems from chapter 2a. Please sit and do it. First of all, you understand what it is given. Listen to my video clearly. Afterwards, copy it to your notebook. Okay. So next week onwards, according to the scheduled timetable from the father, I will conduct the online class. So by that time, all should complete your notebook. Okay, thank you. See you next week in online class.